Hello friends, this is Venu. In this video I am explaining about how to install single node Amazon Web Service cluster and how to install Hortonworks in standalone mode. That means within the single port. Okay, basically before create an instance you have to change this one Singapore. The main reason is if you are in India, choose this one Singapore. But if you are in USA, depends on your nearest area, you can switch between these nearest areas. Okay, Singapore is nearest area to India. That's why I switch Asia Pacific Singapore. Okay, and okay, simply click on EC2. Okay, there is no instance window are going to put stick IPs, everything you have to find. So what should you do? Simply create launch instance. That means you are creating a computer, physical computer like that. Okay, and basically Linux is highly recommendable. That's why white hat Linux. At simple is publish. My preference is red hat. Okay, this single node cluster. So I have to recommend you have to choose minimum 8 GB RAM. Okay. Next, number of instances will be 1. Okay. I highly recommend to install Hortonworks. It's take minimum 10 GB. So I highly recommend minimum 12 GB is mandatory. So I highly recommend 13 GB. Okay. Name as you wish. For example, I am creating Spark. Okay, Spark it is. That is example. If you don't create, if as of now you didn't create anything, key value create. That's why create directly here is not a problem. It is security group. You can create Spark security group. Okay. I highly recommend you can add 3 more properties. Okay. Okay, it is security group. That means within this group, any instance can access these three. They have able to do this operations. Okay. It is the overview of everything. That means your configuration data planning, some instance type, security view, and internal instance details, persons number of instances, and more. Okay. So launch. Basically, as of now, you didn't create anything else. Any key editor. Key editor is nothing that you should access from locally. Okay, and that's why create new page is not a problem. click on this one, download it, keep it in safe mode. This is the file, right? Everything copy and update here everything regarding Spark and everything. Please note you have to change your brand to do this. Change to okay, and fine. Okay. I have read and write access to this. Okay, come to the point. Next, launch instance. Skip the time. Please be patient. Okay. Now I will let you know. This is documentation. You can follow this one. This is launch instance and samples, otherwise reference AGB, RAM, security groups. This is security groups, privileges, and QR code, and launch instance. Okay, fine. Okay. Now create it. How to check out? Go here. Now you can check here one value, one running instance. Create it. Click on this one. This group is not public IP and elastic address. That's why if you want to access this instance, you have a public IP. To get this IP, you have to create an instance. Elastic IPs. You can check here public hostname instance which resolves to public IP. Okay, public IP address at elastic IP address. That's why this is elastic IP address. You can create anything, it's not a problem. Others you can assign this one, it's not a problem. Okay, how should we do? Simply right click this, AWS. Okay, associate address. If you click it, automatically it shows here. Please note, I highly recommend the instance, create it, rename it. Master modules. Okay. There is this one, elastic IPs. Click on this one and right click, associate address, and here this is master node. Okay, private IP address you can ignore and associate. It is associated to this address. Okay. Now next, click on this one. Now you can find IP address. Okay. This IP address associated to this security group. So you can access anywhere. Okay. This is security group. Spark security key. So I have these two links to access from anywhere. For example, okay, it's pending property, and please note it is one more cluster. Okay, so create an instance image. Ambari, that is one thing. This is please note it's not possible to extend this size. So if you practice maximum data, you can increase this one. I will let you know later how to extend this value as well after you create this instance. Okay, this is one and three. Okay, you can still see this open matter. Okay, this is public open matter. Okay, and I have already created these hierarchies and security groups in the I will let you know. This is security group. If you want special privileges, this is path default, path grouping. This is too important. What if a privileges found in time internally? You have already created these three privileges. All TCP, SSH, and icon. And if you want extra, edit it and add the new rules. Okay. Next, you want to switch to. Now you can access this IP from your local system. That's right. This is the command. Basically, if you want to access anything, this is compulsory. Spark cluster is compulsory. The main reason is this VPN only it is interpreted to access your anything. By default, it is EC2 user is. You can create another user as well, it's not a problem. Okay. To communicate this one, this is instance. Okay. Now you are in this instance. You can check here. The previous user is NS user is Hadoop. Now EC2 user in this one. Okay. And temporarily you can use same user. It's not a problem. Otherwise you can create a new user. Okay. And it's also connected yes, and this is basically this is nothing but security purpose firewall. Sometimes sometimes we face security problems. Uh, Sometimes they delegate easier or not. Delegate syntax also not reliable. That means we need to import everything. Right? Delete it, type it, install. Similarly, sometimes this is also no such file or services. At the time we have to install NTPP IP table first. I think we didn't. This is a problem sometimes. That's why what should we do? Everything you should do as a user, root user. It's not a problem as of now. The main business. In case if you face some problem, what should we do? I will let you know in my next videos. Okay. Okay, fine. What next? How to test it? We have to first of all actually there is this security icon. This is too important and trigger heart of everything. If you want to access any instance without any problem, you have to copy the file into your Amazon instance. That's why what should you do? This is the command. SC. Oh, sorry. Okay, SAP, that means secure copy. You should insert this PEM file immediately. It is mandatory. Okay, EC2 user. Just now we have saved this one, and please put coding. It is mandatory. Please not. Most of the students they are forgetting code. Okay. Yes, it is copied to this instance in root folder in this folder. Okay. You can check that now. If you check, now you are in IP. Within this IP, you have this cluster. Just now you have copied this file. Okay. And what next? RSA file is nothing but to prevent password, to prevent authentication privileges, everything we have these files. So that's why they name it. You are renaming this file, okay, as IDRC. Now almost everything is completed, so you want to switch to M repository. Basically, by this folder, if you want to install anything, first of all, repository files you need to save in the repository file. Then only you can install everything. So that's why you need to install Amazon website, this ambari repo. Ambari is nothing but to install everything. It is managing everything, any service. Okay, that's why you can get from this link. Otherwise, you can click this link and somewhere you can find this link. I think this one. Okay, you can run this command. Otherwise, it is also finally it's storing to Excel etc mdb ambari repo. Okay, so it's not a problem. Copy this. Let's unify. Yes, it's done. You can set it now. This ambari, but here there is no ambari. Now it's set. Then what next? I have already installed this one. It's simply run ambari server. It's take a little time. Main business it's around 330, 383. 383 MB, and so it's installing PostgreSQL and other different Azure. Please be patient, it's take a little time. Okay, it's installed, successfully installed Paragraph SQL also. The main business by default is take this one, and ambari server is completed. Ambari setup. Yes, customize ambari server. No. not mandatory. Automatically it will take care of it. And I highly recommend JDK 1.8. That's fine. Yes. If you accept these oracles terms and conditions, advance is not mandatory. By default it will take care of it. Up to 1 minute. Please do. Okay, and ambari server is successfully completed. Simply start the ambari server. Be patient. 1 second. You can check the ambari server status. Ambari server got successfully completed. Ambari server is running. So now I can able to access this instance. Now go to this instance. Its default port. One more. We have to do one thing. This is your IP address. Here it is. You can check here. Where is your target IP? Okay. Simply what should we do? We have to paste. Sorry. Now we can do. What is this probability? This secret to this one. Secret to the okay. Now that we save it. Okay. Where is this one? Okay. And default name admin. Okay. Launch install widgets, and you can create anything. Okay, otherwise start faster, depends on your interest, your company. I'm installing Hadoop 2.3 latest version. Next, basically, this is your IP. Okay, and you have to copy your where is this one? This ppm file, okay, and your username. Okay, now you have to wait few minutes to install everything. You can ignore this warning almost. It's nothing but recommendations. It's installed. Okay. You have to install Python. Okay, Python is installed successfully. Okay, and just click on this one. Okay, whatever service you want, calculators, is nothing but a engine. For example, I will change. For example, there are different processing units like map, input, link, Spark, Storm, this, and many more. If you want to install Spark, this one, and this is nothing but optimize this one. This I prefer this. I don't prefer this as of now. I don't want. Plus also it's not mandatory. Not mandatory. Okay. Spark highly recommendable. Everything default. Make it default. I hope in this scenario I will face some problem to create data. Why this error is not in the high document? We have to create this one. And I highly recommend MySQL database install this one. Otherwise you can use this one also to as it is. And the password, enter something. Okay. And we can modify it later. Just take a little time, please be patient. 99% you will get this error. The main reason is I didn't install, I hope name node, sorry, data node not installed. If you check this one, copy and save it. I highly recommend this is control F ERROR. The main reason is Snappy Developer DVL is not installed. That's why what should you do? Simply you can run this one. First of all, run this one. Right, and run this one. Right. Okay. Now this problem is resolved. I hope next time I will face MySQL installation. The main reason is Hive is integrated with MySQL, not this one. That's why I'm installing MySQL as well within this time. Okay, you can check the progress here. Now installing HBase client. Now hcatlog client installing slowly. Another installation problem is you can click on this link and almost everything is installed. Data node, hcatlog, server, Kafka, everything, but MySQL server is not installed. Click on this link, automatically you can get the error and copy link. I have already explained. Paste in separate folder and control F. Yet there, nothing to do. Resource management execution failed. MySQL community is written 0. That means it's not available. MySQL community edition is not available. For that purpose, what should you do? Simply click on this link. Snappy is completed, and okay, fine. And now should do everything as a sudo reader. You can check it now. Is it yes, both these two repos are stored in this repo folder, repo file, and now you need to start I think do one thing, sudo su. Now you can install y. Okay, fine. Y try. Okay, we are installing manually. That's why. In case it's a postgrid SQL, it's fine, but it's MySQL. That's why. And you can follow this one to start MySQL. Now you can start. Sorry. Now you can retry. Surely listen. It might get succeed. Now you have also installed now Spark client. That means installing Spark. It takes little time. After installation, it is starting every service, Spark and something DRPC service and starting the DRPC service. So wait few minutes please. Starting Spark and Strom UI server and 84% is checking the executing the Mahout service and other services. Almost it's installed 84%. It encounters some problems. Is warnings. Warnings is almost is not a problem. You can rectify it later. The main thing is it is check Mahout and pig some services. You can debug and you can do it later. It's not a problem. First of all, you need to install this one. Okay. Next install. Oh. Okay. Complete. That's the problem. Basically, server is not running. I don't know why. Basically, if you run this command, sudo ambari server status, ambari server is not running. Basically, if you are not loading here, means automatically it is server is not running properly. That's why what should you do? Simply start this one. Now, if you run same thing, should you can do anything. Wait, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yes, it started. Now you can check. By default, admin, you can change it if you are interested. It's not a problem. Okay. Please just server is started. That's why please wait few minutes. It's in safe mode. Okay, it's successfully installed everything, but some of the service like ambari service and Hive, it's encountering some problem. Webcast server it's not started yet. The main business, everything is installed in a single system. That's why, and also space. If you want to notice what is the error, you can check here. Automatically you can understand. And HBase master in this node, it is also not started. Okay, I hope now it will start within 2 minutes max. Okay, Hive servers, okay, fine, but record server, something problem. You need to encounter what's the problem. Now webcast matrix, okay, fine, it's resolved. And now webcast server. In case if you click on this thing and then click on this thing, you can find the problems and then you can resolve these problems. Okay. Region server, it is also too important. in HBase. Okay, fine, almost it's installed. HBase almost problem resolved, ambari server problem resolved, hive also it's okay, fine, working fine. So that's why it's green. If you get green color, almost everything is fine. And in my next video, it is only 58%. In case it's crossed more than 80%, it's not recommendable. How to increase this disk? That means basically we have just 10, 12, I think 12 or 13 GB of space only. I want to extend it to 15 or 20 GB. How to extend it? I will explain, and just common problem, what is this error, how to rectify this problem, how to overcome these problems, everything I will let you know. What is this alert? Okay, fine, I will let you know. Okay, thank you very much. Bye bye.